Laundry has a way of growing faster than you expect until suddenly it's everywhere, stealing your time and energy day after day. If you've ever felt that pressure building in your home, this video is for you, because today we're looking at machines designed to bring real relief, not just basic cleaning. Let's get straight into it. Now let's move to the next. At number 5, we have the Auertech 18LBs. A mini washer 18LBs feels like a hidden solution for small spaces where laundry often becomes a constant struggle, especially in apartments, dorms, and ARV living where every inch and every minute matters. Its twin tub design separates washing and spinning, creating a smoother rhythm where one process continues while the other finishes, reducing waiting time and making laundry feel more continuous. With an 18LB's capacity, a 1300 RPM motor, simple 3-step controls, a transparent viewing window, and practical features like a drain pump and adjustable inlet hose, it delivers strong, everyday usability in a compact frame. Still, it requires careful load balancing and works best in smaller batches compared to fully automatic large machines, meaning it's not built for heavy household overflow, but instead for controlled, efficient everyday loads. In return, it saves space, water, and effort, making it a practical option for students, travelers, and anyone needing a simple secondary laundry solution without complexity. Coming up next at number 4 is the Giantex 8.8LBs that highlights how much easier laundry becomes when a compact machine actually respects limited space while still focusing on speed and efficiency. Especially in small apartments where bulky machines often create more frustration than convenience. With its 8.8-pound capacity, multiple wash modes, and simple controls, it focuses on delivering fast cycles with strong dehydration so clothes come out requiring less additional drying time, reducing the need for separate appliances. The 2-in-1 wash and spin function makes daily laundry more direct and manageable, especially for students and renters dealing with frequent small loads rather than heavy household batches. However, larger items like thick bedding can feel restrictive inside, and compared to full-size machines, it clearly sacrifices heavy-duty capacity in exchange for lower water usage and a smaller footprint. Still, for compact living, it turns laundry from a long, repetitive task into something far more efficient and predictable. Let's keep the momentum going. At number 3, we have the Pataku 17.6 LB's washer that brings a more balanced approach to everyday laundry by combining portability with a capacity that comfortably handles most daily household loads without feeling overwhelming or overly complex. Its dual tub design creates a smoother workflow between washing and spinning, while timed cycle controls make it easy for beginners who want quick results without constantly monitoring the process. With a 17.6-pound capacity, it sits in a practical middle range that works well for small families, students, and apartment living where flexibility matters more than industrial-level power, while still offering features like strong soaking that improves stain removal over time. It trades a bit of drum space for easier setup and portability, making it more adaptable for different living spaces. Overall, it delivers quiet, efficient, and dependable performance that keeps laundry moving without turning it into a daily burden. Breaking into the top 2, VCJ 20LBs that takes the number 2 position, the VCJ 20LBE's washer steps into more serious household territory with a 20-pound capacity designed to handle real family laundry loads without constantly breaking everything into multiple cycles, making it a strong option for homes that deal with regular overflow. Powered by a 380-watt motor and fully automatic wash programs, it balances cleaning performance with controlled energy use while keeping operation simple enough for everyday use without constant adjustments. The stainless steel drum adds durability for long-term reliability, while features like child lock safety and quiet operation make it suitable for family environments where both performance and comfort matter. Although heavier loads may take longer compared to premium high-end machines, it still delivers a strong balance between capacity, efficiency, and affordability. For renters and small families, it feels like a practical step up that makes laundry routines more manageable and less stressful. And finally, taking the number 1 spot on our list, the Giantex Atlas stands out because it brings the most balanced combination of simplicity, efficiency, and real-world usability for compact living, especially for users who want a full automatic experience without sacrificing too much space or control. Its smart water level control automatically adjusts usage based on load size, helping reduce waste while keeping performance consistent, and its flexible wash and spin modes make it adaptable for everyday clothing needs without complicating the process. Setup is straightforward, allowing users to start washing quickly, and in daily use, it delivers steady results for regular laundry loads, though very heavy bedding may still require extra cycles compared to larger machines. Unlike manual or semi-automatic systems, it significantly reduces effort and brings a more predictable, automated laundry experience that fits naturally into busy routines. Overall, it stands at the top because it balances all the key needs: space-saving design, dependable performance, and everyday convenience. The Giantex 8LBs takes the win because it delivers the most consistent all-around performance, balancing capacity, efficiency, and ease of use better than the Auertech 18LBs, VCJ 20LBs, Pataku 17.6LBs, and Giantex 8.8LBs models, making it the most practical choice for real everyday living without unnecessary complexity or compromises. It handles household laundry reliably, saves water and energy, and remains simple enough for small spaces while still offering enough strength for regular family use, making it the most dependable overall option in this lineup. So that's it for today's top 5 best big load washing machines. All links are in the description if you want to check current deals, and if this helps you, hit like and subscribe for more smart buying guides that make your decisions easier. Until next time, choose smarter, not harder.